That's funny.
Putting the Miata motor in there. So this time I want to actually put a Nissan motor in, or Datsun, same difference. I want to put the same family, same car manufacturer kind of motor in it, and I think it'll be good. I think it'll go. It's one that supposedly will fit. Everybody says it fits. Hope it fits, because I'm getting it. I'm committing to it. So. Whoa, whoa! We interrupt this previously recorded program to bring you a news flash. Change of plans. Huh. That's still going away. Still going away. But to replace it, VG30, I think not. As a friend said, why have a semi-fast car with a finicky motor when you can have a real fast when you can have a real fast car with a great motor. This motor right here, this beautiful Bald Eagle machine, Chevrolet GM 5.3 liter V8 engine, is now going to be the power plant for the 510 wagon, aka the Rust Nugget. Yes, we're going to have beautiful bald eagles powering this Japanese rocket, this Japanese bullet, this Japanese whatever it is, hunk of junk. No, it's not a hunk of junk. I love these cars, and you know what? Thanks to a good friend of mine, you know who you are. You kind of convinced me to go with what I originally wanted to do and not compromise, not be a wimp, and do what I originally wanted to do. And it's coming full circle because my very first Datsun had a beautiful American Ford V8 in it. So it's fitting that my first drag car that I've always wanted to build my whole life, since I was a teeny weeny Phil, my first drag car be powered by a beautiful LS1 Gen 3 5.8 liter Bald Eagle machine. Well, it's actually just going to be bone stock to start out with, probably naturally aspirated because I ain't got the dough, but you know, I picked this beauty up for about $600, and it's supposed to run. It came out of a 2001 Silverado, probably 1500. Yeah, and I'm just tearing it down. I'm gonna pull this puppy out of here. She's going, and I'm gonna strip this guy down as much as possible, lose some weight, lose the manifold, lose the fan, lose all the extra stuff that I don't need, and then start test fitting. Woohoo! I want to bring you all along with me. I feel really good about this change of direction. It's actually what I wanted to do initially, you know, and sometimes, like, I read a thing today on Instagram where this person, this great lady actually, who really helped me, you know, just helped me in life, just by her words. I don't know her, I've never met her. But anyway, she said, when we dream big, sometimes, you know, we dream big, but then we start, the fear sets in. We start doubting our dreams, and so then we start minimizing our dreams. We start squashing them. We start reducing them. We start making them like smaller because we're afraid of failing. We're afraid. We start thinking, oh, what if the big dream doesn't work out, or what if it this, or what if that, or whatever. And so we start making our dreams smaller, and that's kind of what I did with this. Like, I was like, well, you know, I'll do this because supposedly it fits better. People done it before, blah, blah, blah. Well, people have done this before too, you know, and it fits. Just takes a little bit more cutting. But hey, cutting's fun. And welding. Hey, welding's fun. I know how to do both. So we're going to do it. I got some good friends behind me that are helping me and encouraging me. Yeah, let's get this done. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to do my best to get it done in the next 10 months for race week. If not, then we'll do something else where we'll get it race week 2022, whatever. But anyway, so that's it. Here we go.